Oh yeah, perhaps it actually. He's trying to get the leaves off you guys. Aww.
There's one closer if he went.
He's trying again. Try, go.
Yeah, you can do it from there.
He's gonna get it. Look at him.
Believe in yourself.
He's not gonna get it.
Aww.
He already clipped too many.
He's so sad.
Guys, go see what that one's doing over there. Go give it to that one.
That one I gave to him.
Oh, here, Julia.
Oh.
Give some to the chickens.
I want some for the other guy. The goats are very, the sheep are very adamant about being fed. But I mean, I'm sure, like, you know, like, we're going to feel bad for that one goat, and then, you know, the next family's going to come, and then they're going to feel bad for it, too. And it's just, what is it doing? That feels so bad.
It's like so close. You can
This
chase
guy's banging
him.
his head against the fence.
It's Frankie boy. I feel so bad for it. Someone needs to like go hop the fence and just lead it closer.
He needs a good breeze.
It's okay. Little goat.
Give up.